Ụtụtụ ọma, ehihie ọma, anyasị ọma, Igbo ndị ọma na-ele anyị na-ege anyị ntị n'oge awa. Ebe ọbụla unu si na-ele na-anụkwu onu anyị n'oge awa, eji m ohere a na-akpọbata unu na Christiana Passion n'ihe ọmụmụ anyị nke taa, ịmụ asụsụ Igbo. Ka m make sure na ndị Facebook onye ọbụla na-ahụ anyị na-elele anyị. Ka hapụ inwe ihe mgbagwoju anya, onye ọbụla batara ka ọ na-afụ anyị, ka ọ na-amụtakwa. So nyenụ m nkenke oge ka m mee nka. Yes, so you are all welcome to today's Igbo class. I welcome you all around the world, wherever you are watching us from, wherever you are listening to us. We say welcome to today's Igbo class. And àwọn ihe ọzọ anyị na-akụzi taa na-abụghị anyị chọrọ ịtụ ilu. Onye nkụzi anyị bụ Maazị Eburaja Solomon ga-edu anyị na-eje n'ụbọchị nke taa. O nwere ilu dịgasị iche iche ma ndị dị omimi ọ chọrọ ịtụrụ anyị. Ile anya n'ihe ndemede ndere, emere ka anyị ghọta na nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Chinua Achebe o kwugasịrị ọtụtụ okwu nke o ji ilu wee gwakwa anyị na ilu bụ mmanụ ndị Igbo ji eri gịnị, ji eri okwu. Ọ bụ ji aji eri okwu. Yes, so you are all welcome to today's class wherever you are watching. Please make sure you like this video. And if this is the first time you are seeing this round face, is still your sister, Christiana Passion. Please, if you have not subscribed to this program, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please try and do so. Please. And don't forget, tomorrow, don't forget to join me on my live stream, 6 p.m. Nigeria time. Come, let's talk about injustice in the world, in Nigeria. Yeah, this particular girl, I know a lot of you heard that story, Stephanie Otobo. Stephanie Otobo ran into some legal justice with a prophet in Nigeria by name Prophet Suleiman, Apostle Suleiman. So she went through a lot, and she was interviewed on a live stream on Maureen Badejo's platform, which everyone will look into her cases. And a lot of people are blaming her, accusing her. So I want you to bring your voice, join your voice with me tomorrow. Let us see if it is right to accuse a victim, or just to sympathize to a victim. Join me tomorrow. I want to hear your own opinion. Your opinion is strictly your opinion. Your opinion might not be as the same as my opinion. That's why I really need you. You know I don't know anything. But come join me tomorrow, 6 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's talk about that. Hey, Oluwaseyi Temitope Tunde. Good afternoon. You are welcome. Thank you for joining the Igbo class. You go learn Igbo. So without wasting much of our time, let me give our brother, our teacher, Onyankuziani, is not that person than Mr. Solomon Ibraja to take on the lead. So my brother, you are free to continue from where I have started.
Ndewo onye isi ọkanga, ekelekwa m. Kedu ka ekesa anyanwụ ehihie ọma nụ, ụtụtụ ọma ndị nke bi n'akụkụ mba ụwa bụ ụtụtụ bụ nke ha ugbu a. ehihie ọma ụfọdụ ndị nke bi na mpaghara Afrịka, anyasị ọma ndị ka na-alaba ụra ugbu a n'ihi na ụbọchị abụghị ofu mana chi bụ ofu. Ekelekwa m ụnụ ọzọ n'atụfughị mgbe dịka onye isi ọkanga bụ nne m okwu Christian Okeke, ya bụ Oriakụ Christian Okeke siri wee kọwaa ihe na-ele anya na ya taa bụ okwu ilu. Onye magụ n'oge ụfọdụ ekwuru okwu ilu, ụfọdụ nwere ike iwe ihe ya bụ egwu agba achị ụsọ n'aka agba, mana ọ bụghị otu ahụ. O nwere okwu okwugwe ya kpọta Chinua Achebe aha. Chinua Achebe ọ bụghị ọpụtaghị na ọ bụ ya bụ naanị onye kọwara okwu ilu dịka mmanụ eji eri okwu, kama na ọ bụ n'ihi na ọ webatara n'asụsụ ya bụ asụsụ o ji dee ya bụ iduazị ahụ ọ dere bụ things fall apart, na bụ asụsụ kwesịrị ekwesị ọ webatara n'ebe ahụ. Ya bụ ọ bụrụ na ị nekwana anya n'ezie dịka esi kọwaa ya, okwu ilu bụ mmanụ ndị Igbo ji eri okwu. Ịmagonụ dịka ji siri wee dị, ụtọ ji bụ mmanụ. Yam is sweet because of the red oil you use in deliquating it, eating it. So that is why it is. We'll go to na ezu ka aha eyi udele atụtụ ngịga. The hour has come. Ezu ka aha eyi udele atụtụ ngịga, ya bụ anyị ezuola ezuo ka asụọ ya bụ asụsụ Igbo. Asụsụ Igbo bụ ya bụ ilu Igbo. Igbo na-asụ, ya bụ mba na-asụ n'olu n'olu, mana ha kwa ụkpọrọ bụrụ ofu. In Igbo language, we have different dialects, but according to that very adage I just spoke, but when they cough, it means one thing. It becomes one thing. The meaning becomes one thing. What are we trying to say? In Igbo land, especially not only in Igbo land, in Africa at large, one of the qualities of a good or a learned person in traditional education is somebody who is able, who can speak his or her language with adage, with proverb. And they don't just speak a proverb. They can't get a little okay? Adage has settings. You can't just be talking about marriage and you use an adage that is used for burial in marriage discussion. You don't do that. It is never the settings. You can't just be talking about encouragement and you use an adage that is contrary to encouragement. It becomes a bad sentence. So everything has a sentence. Okay? Yeah, but that I get the banana no kwilulu dị iche iche, ma ndị na-atụ ọchị, ma ndị dị ụtọ, mana ka o sila dị, enweghị ilu ọbụla akọwara n'enweghị gịnị ihe ọ pụtara. There is no proverb in Igbo land that is spoken that has no meaning. Let me write it in Igbo. Ya bụ mata means notes. Enweghị okwu ilu ọbụla asụrụ nke enweghị enweghị okwu ilu ọbụla asụrụ nke enweghị ihe ọ napụtaghị. But there is no proverb spoken that has no meaning. Igbo proverb has a meaning. Okay? And like I said, okwu ilu na-enwe ọbọ ya. Dịka ịmatụ na-ekwu okwu gbasara alụmdi na nwunye. Okwu ilu metụtara ọnwụ. Hello?
Let's pause that video and welcome back the teacher. Hey, what's the one, Kedu? Oyankuzi, you are welcome back. Which I can play chat the video call. Can you continue?
Gbado ya ebe ahụ ka anyị kụzichaa mgbe a ga-aga obere n'ihi na afụgo m onye nke m bụkwa nwanne m nwoke bụ Reverend Father nwanne mmadụ ebe ọ na-ayọrọ nkwa.
So we are back.
O wee bụrụ ya dịka anyị na-akọwa tupu anyị aga obere ezumike ahụ anyị gara. Ịmagono fada nwanne mmadụ bụ ọ bụ nwafọ Igbo mara ihe ekwe na-akụ n'ihe ọbụla gbasara omenala Igbo. Ọ bụ onye ụkọchukwu mana ọ maara gịnị omenala Igbo kpọmkwem. Nke a wee bụrụ ya dịka m na-akọwa bụ na mbụ, asị m mata pụtara notes. Mata means notes, like if you are a teacher or if you are a lecturer and you are teaching your students and you want to note something down, a particular point, it asks them to write notes. It's like a hit points, notes. Okay? Enweghị okwu ilu ọbụla asụrụ nke enweghị ihe ọ na-apụtaghị. There is no particular proverb or a spoken proverb that has no meaning. You can't just wake up in the morning and just voice out a proverb without knowing the meaning of that very proverb. Now, okwu ilu na-enwe ọgbọ ya. It means a proverb has its own settings. Then I said Imato, which is, for example, mmadụ agaghị na-ekwu okwu gbasara alụmdi na nwunye o webata okwu metụtara ọnwụ. It is unethical that when somebody will be speaking a proverb that has to do with marriage, and then will bring in an adage that has to do with death at the same time. You don't. Without wasting much of our time, ka anyị ga-asụzie ya gụnye ya bụ okwu ilu. Ọ dị ka oge m na-eme ihe omume na ikuku na redio. It was like when I was having a program, my regular program on air. I brought out from number 1 to 40 Igbo proverb. You choose, I will voice it out, then you interpret it for us, so that millions of people listening to us will know if you are truly Nwafọ Igbo. Don't be surprised to see where elderly people will be calling you, but they will not be able to interpret that very proverb. I will laugh and I will laugh because remember, let me tell you something. Even if you are a professor of a language, but you don't know how to interpret a proverb, that means this one is higher than you. Okay? And sometimes when you see, don't be surprised, you will see a child interpreting a proverb that an elderly person cannot interpret. And in Igbo land, it is assumed that anybody that knows how to interpret Igbo proverb is very, very intelligent. Only one man gets a call Igbo, Marakwukwo. The communal Igbo said, "Oh yeah, the person is very, very intelligent." So let us go here and now. First and foremost, I will voice two first. Then I would like our students listening to us, viewing us all over the world, to interpret it and they forward it at that very dashboard there, so that we know who is Nwafọ. Let's see how it goes, okay? Oh yeah. It will be 2. So let's go. Who can interpret it for us? Number 1. Let's go here. Ama ka eji mmiri sachaa otula. Ọ ga na-esi isi. That is number 1. Okay? That is Number one. Let me say it in English. No matter how you use water to clean your bum bum, that is your buttocks, it will still be smelling shit. Ya bụ ama ka esi ji mere gịnị sachaa udule, ọ ga na-esi isi. So I want any of us there who is viewing us from different parts of the world to help us interpret this very adage. It may appear simple, it may appear easy to you, but when you are interpreting it, don't rush it. Think about it before you interpret it, because a proverb is a mystery. Okay? It's a mystery. You must think deep before you be able to interpret. So let's go. Who can interpret this very proverb for us? Write it, even if it's in English, how you understood it. Post it there. I'm giving us just 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Interpret it just 2 minutes. Then I bring in another one. And number 2, I'm writing now. Number 2. Anụji eze arị elu, mara osisi na elu.
Can I try?
Okay, you can give it a try. Let's see how it goes. Yes.
Okay. The first one you said, no matter how you use water to clean your butt, it will still smell bad. I understand it to be that no matter I'm looking for a good way to put it. No matter no matter what you do in life, no matter what you do in life, people will still talk bad about you. Does it come any?
Okay. All right. It's bravo. If it has 20 marks,
okay,
I'll give you 17 over 20. It's still, upper credit. Yeah.
Please, class, if you are here, please try and interpret that proverb. No matter how you use water to wash your butt, it will still have the bad smell. Please interpret it. You say I have tried. Please interpret yours. The teacher wants us to interpret number 1, and he has already written number 2. I tried. Please, I want us to think deep, okay? Because it's word of wisdom. Okay, while we are waiting for other interpreters, why not continue until someone shows up? You can click on the link, please. You can click on the link and join if that is what you want to do, so we can see you live. Or you can as well call +1 832 973 9937. Let me put the number out there, +1 832-973-9937. Please, or you can write it there or send the text. No, don't send the text because I want to show it on the screen. Please, you can call the number or you click on the link and you'll be here live to explain that proverb. So, Mr. Ebroja, while you are teaching, and I know
Yes.
people are cracking their heads now.
Igbo proverb is not an easy thing. I will tell them the meaning when they are able to make an attempt. You have made an attempt. I want somebody who will get it 20% over 20%. I said if it carries 20%, I'll give you 17 over 20%. That's I'm giving you 17% credit. Now, as we are still cracking our brain to know how to interpret this very well. Now let us also consider the number 2 here. I will also say it in English, but I also need someone who can help us tell us what that very proverb means. Yeah. You see, it is not good that we are answering Igbo, 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 but we are not able to interpret our proverb. It sounds somehow. So the essence of bringing in this today is a kind of interactive section where you ask question of a proverb you don't understand and it would be interpreted to you. Now, as we are going, let me just interpret it this way. An animal that climbs with its teeth knows a tree that is bitter. Okay? An animal that climbs a tree with its teeth knows a tree that is bitter. What does this very proverb mean? It means a lot. An animal that climbs a tree with its teeth knows a tree that is bitter. So you see, this very proverb also has something that it entails. It has, and before you can interpret this very proverb now, if anybody has made an attempt, let us see it on the screen. An animal that climbs a tree with its teeth knows a particular tree that is bitter. What does this very proverb mean? Now, let us keep on going on. Let us interpret this one without wasting time. The number 1, let us tell you what it means, the meaning of the proverb.
I want to try with the second one.
Okay.
Yes. I think the second one said anu jeze arielu ma osisi n'elu ilu. I will interpret it to be whatever you are good, you are used to or good at doing. Okay, no, let me rephrase. Oh my God.
Okay.
I'm trying. Anu jeze arielu ma osisi n'elu ilu. O mere na nghọta m aghọtara m ya na na ndị okenye onye okenye ka nwata mara ihe. I don't know.
All right, let me help you with that. Okay.
Calesta, you
Yeah,
are welcome.
let me
Calesta,
just help you this way.
That's Roko Wailu. Yes.
Okay, let me show us the meaning of the first one. Amaka age merisa chodide organisisi. It means no matter how you try to change a criminal, he will still remain a criminal. Yeah. Okay? A criminal is a criminal. No matter how you try to change a criminal, he's still what? A criminal. One day he must surely show the very attribute of criminality in him or her. That is what number one is all about. No matter how you try to rehab an insane person, a mad person, that person will still remain a mad person. Once somebody has run mad before, the person has automatically become a mad person for life. Okay? Okay?
Yeah, someone interpreted it on Facebook. Amarachi
Okay.
she said that it simply means no one is 100% perfect. Human beings are insatiable. I think that is number 2. She said experience is the number 1. She explained it to be that it means no one is 100% perfect. Then number 2, she said is experience is the best teacher. Are you
serious? Yeah. Experience is the best teacher. I'll give her I'll give her 15 over 20.
You give her 15 over 20?
I'll give
wow.
I'll give her 15 over 20 because she made an attempt. Experience is the best teacher.
At least I got higher mark more than her.
So, as it goes this way now, the number 1, she got it. She got number 1.
So she got 20 over 20 on number 1.
Yeah.
3
number 2, I'm giving her 15. Yeah. So number 2, I'm giving her 15%.
What did I
score?
Number 2.
Oh, number 2, I'm giving you 3%. Yeah. The reason for giving you 3% is because education frowns at giving a student 0. In education, you don't give a student 0. So, because when a student writes his or her name on a paper, at least, even if that student did not get the answer, try to give that student, even if it is 1 mark or 2, because education frowns at giving a student 0 over the score.
No, you are trying to say, no, teacher, in a quarter now, you could see you 0, man,
I said, oh yeah, you made an attempt, even more than other ones watching us all over the world.
Okay, oh, yeah. Thank you.
Now, you try. So now, experience is the best teacher.
Okay.
He who has told the particular part knows how painful that part is. Okay? That is the meaning of this very proverb. He who has told a particular part knows how painful that very part is. If it is painful, the person knows. If it is enjoyable, the person knows. This is what this part is all about. If you have never experienced a particular situation in your life, you may not understand how painful, being on that road is. Full audacity to say, oh yeah, this very road is very painful. It's not an easy road. That is what this person is talking about. EJS really is a kind of suffering. Okay, EJS really is a suffering. So Anahejes so this EJS really is a kind of hardship, suffering. So yeah, he who has passed the road of hardship knows how painful it is. So let us go to number 3. I wipe this one now. So our students be making attempts. Some of us are afraid. Like if this thing has 40 marks now, you have gotten 20. 20 over 40 is something. 20 over 40 is something. Oh yeah, it's 50% of the score. So those of them that did not make an attempt did not even get anyone. So bravo, you tried. Yeah. Let's go here. The number 3. Number 3 says, Ehi kwuru na ya mara ụma soro onye sekpụ ya. Ma ọ bụrụ na ya ajụ, ọ gaghị egbu ya n'isi. Let me read it. Ehi means a cow. Ehi is a cow. Sometimes when you are dragging a cow, the cow will be following you like a fool. Okay? Yeah. A cow says that he is, foolishly following the person that is dragging it. But if it refuses to follow the person cannot carry it on his head. Ehi kwuru na ya mara ụma soro onye sekpụ ya, ma ọ bụrụ na ya ajụ, ọ gaghị ebu ya n'isi. What does this very proverb means? Who can help us out? Yes? Let them think. Let them think very, very well. Let them think and they think and they think. Think deep. Then you help us to interpret it.
I understand it to be that now. Okay, maybe I have a dispute with someone, and just to let peace reign, even though I was on my right, I just let it go for the sake of peace. So maybe like the
Okay.
ọmụma soro onye na-akpụ ya mana ọjụ iso ya ọ ga-eburu ya n'isi. If I want us to continue the argument, it might not that nothing stopped me from continuing the argument, but I just for the peace, sake of peace, I just let it go. I don't know.
Yeah. I'm giving you 17%. Or 18%.
18%. Good. Yes, where is Amara? That thought she can interpret proverb. Come, let's interpret proverb.
Yeah. Let them make an attempt. Let's see
Another
who will get
person
it.
is trying. At least I've gotten 20% in the past. I got 17%, and
it is not easy.
enjoy the video while the teacher comes back. So we are welcome back. You are welcome back. Yes.
All right. Let's go ahead. Yeah. So who has made an attempt in getting it?
Let me check. No one yet. No one except me.
Okay, except you. That means, oh, that's good. You see, in a class where nobody makes an attempt, you carry the go.
That means I'm the smart one.
You see, you're not topping. You're not topping on the list as the top one. Yeah. You see, let me state it this way. Okay? Like what you rightly said. Okay? A wise man sometimes behaves as if he's a fool just for peace to reign. Yeah. But if he objects to that,
flexing on the beat.
Welcome back. Thank you for that little enjoyment. And sorry for the break in transmission. To all my beautiful students out there.
no problem. I hope they see. I like a class. As a teacher, I like an active class, and you are making it lively. I also like a class where even if you don't know it, you make an attempt. A class where everybody make an attempt without even knowing the thing is active. It's, inspires the teacher. It encourages the teacher. Okay? Okay?
And the student you gave, was it 15%? She's contesting to it. Amarachi, she's contesting. She says she scored 100%. Not. She said, I got 100%, please. So
not 100. She did not get 100%. I gave her 15%. She tried.
that is 15. No, you gave her 15 over 20.
Yeah, it's something. She should take it that way.
About 80% or 75%.
It's up to 85% of the score.
She said, no, I got 100%.
Okay, she should wait so that the time. Okay, she should make an attempt. Let us augment the score for her.
Okay, repeat that one.
Let's
say it again.
Okay. Enyi kwuru na ya mara ụma soro onye sekpụ ya, ma ọ bụrụ na ya ajụ, ọ gaghị ebu ya n'isi. Okay, that is.
No, you have explained that one. Let's give her the next one. You have explained that one.
Okay, the next one says, a na-eji mma ọbara anapụta nwata ezigbo mma. A na-eji mma ọbara anapụta nwata ezigbo mma. You use a big cutlass to get a good cutlass from a child. You use a big cutlass to get a better cutlass from a child. What does it mean?
What does it mean? Okay, click on the link provided so you can come live if you want to answer the question. Or better still, you can still type it and I will read it before you start fighting for 100%. Oh my God.
Yeah, who is making an attempt?
I am watching.
Are you there?
No one yet. Let me try. Obara anapụta nwata
ezigbo mma.
Obara, that is a blunt knife to get a sharp knife. A child. You use a blunt knife. Take. Give me the sharp one.
Yeah. What does it mean? It requires a deep thought before you can interpret this.
A na-eji mma ọbara anapụta nwata ezigbo mma.
Ezigbo mma.
Does it mean that one good turn deserve another? You do good, you return good for good.
When you say that one good turn deserve another, I'm going to give you a mark there, but this thing means something else.
Okay.
I'm giving you here. It has different meanings. It has different meanings.
Okay.
One good turn deserves another. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Yeah. So it has different meanings. So let's keep on making attempts. Yeah. Who are watching us all over the world? Are they afraid to make an attempt?
Yes. That's what I'm looking at. I think they are scared, like they don't want to make mistake. At least I got 3. is something more than getting 0.
He who does not make an attempt doesn't want to know that very topic. But when you make an attempt and fail, the teacher corrects you. You get it next time. You keep on trying. You know? Let them try. Don't we have men there? Okay.
Ugochukwu Okeke, gịnị ka a sị na a na-eji mma ọbara anapụta nwata ezigbo mma? Gịnị ka o meaniri? Kalesta Ọnụọha, now start calling her name. That is how my teacher does those days. Start calling her names. Oh my God. There's a very good student, Betty Okeke, of that class star. Oh my Igbo, well. Oh my Igbo. And a lot of them too. Hey, a na-eji mma ọbara anapụta nwata ezigbo mma.
Yeah.
I can't remember anything. I can't remember nothing. Amarachi, where are you? You don't want to come and get your 100% now. Eh? Hey. New comments. Please read it. I can't read it from. Okay, I say, Ana eji mma ọbara anapụta nwata ezigbo mma. You don't need to read it. What is ọbara? Ọ sị gị gịnị bụ ọbara?
A broad. Ọbara means broad.
Mma na-adịghị nkọ.
Big. Or you can use it a blunt knife or broad. You can attribute it to anything that this one has more quality than.
But this is I have already teach her what obara is. So even if she gets more than me, you won't give it to her. Even if she score a higher mark, we will share the mark. Because I am giving her a
You are giving the person a
a na-eji mma ọbara anapụta nwata mmadụ nkọ ezigbo mma. Okay. I think they are still thinking. At least it's making up just like, yeah, they are still thinking. Yeah, I can't even think about anything. I thought that it means one good song deserves another, but he said it's for a different content, not for this content. Please, if you are still watching us, if you are here, if you are in this class, please, let's redeem the student. The teacher asks a question. That gịnị ka o meaniri mgbe a sị na a na-eji mma ọbara anapụta nwata ezigbo mma. Please, let's bell the cat. Onye nkuzi, maybe you need to help us out. We are
all right. We are going to. We still have time. Like we have up to 6, 7, 8 minutes left before the time runs out. We are going to interpret this. This one sounds like as if it's very paradox in nature. It is not a paradox. It is just a proverb. Okay, it isn't a paradox at all. So it's just a proverb, and we are going to interpret it. You think about it very, very well. You see, now let me just interpret it this way. A na-eji umeala anata ọgaranya ihe n'aka.
Okay.
Are you getting it?
Okay.
understand it. A na-eji umeala anata ọgaranya ihe n'aka. Okay? Yeah. When you are humble, you get some. That is very proverb.
Yes.
Yeah. A na-eji umeala anata ọgaranya ihe n'aka. Okay? Umeala ka nwaanyị ji ejide di ya. It has different meanings. Umeala ka nwaanyị ji ejide di ya. You see, when a woman is humble, the humility of a woman attracts the goodness of the husband. You see? So it has different meanings. Are you surprised? The humility of a woman attracts the goodness of the husband.
Yes, Amara tried.
Okay? Okay?
Amara tried. She said, we use unpleasant words to correct. We use unpleasant words to correct. And she also said, or we use unserious things to get serious things. I don't know.
No, you can't use something that is unserious to get serious things. She did not get it. Because when
Okay. How about we use
She didn't get it.
unpleasant words to correct?
No, you don't use an unpleasant word to correct somebody. That means it's a destructive, approach. So when you use an unpleasant word, a destructive approach. So the person may misunderstand you and fight will break out. Yes. You use a constructive approach to correct someone. A constructive approach, not a destructive approach. A constructive approach to correct someone. So how she said, you use a constructive approach to correct someone. I would have given her 10/20.
Okay. But another student who go Chukwu Okeke, he redeemed the men, at least for attempting. He said, you use what you have to get what you need.
I'm giving him just 10%, at least not at school.
Okay. Okay.
I'm giving him that score because at least he answered present in the class today. So bravo.
It is becoming very interesting.
Yeah. So
your student,
yeah.
she's covering her face. She covered her face. She's like, well, she was fighting for 100%.
No, next time she will also try.
Fighting for 100%, and then she got 0.
You see, at that age, that means a proverb is a constructive. You use a constructive approach to tackle this. Like this one, you think deep. You may think it is this particular word, this particular statement, not knowing that it is not even that particular statement. Okay? You have the mobosra. That broad knife or that very big machete is your own. But you need that very sharp one from that child. What will you do? What will you do? This is where wisdom is applied. So, like I said, the humility of a child attracts the goodness of the father. Okay? When you are humble to your parents, it attracts good blessings. It attracts blessings from the parents to you. So this is what this place is talking about. Okay? Yeah. So it means using your quality, okay? Your good quality in a positive way to get a good thing. So that is what this one means. Then I'm going to give us an assignment, and I believe they should write it, and even if it is there on Facebook, put it there. When I go through it and I see it, when you get it, when you see me liking or commenting on your post there, that means you got it. But when I give you thumbs down, it means you didn't get it. But if I give you thumbs up or liking, it means you got it. So let me give you 2 assignments you are going to do before we call it a day. All right. Number 1, assignment. Chinte. Chọwa igbu ya. Ọ kpọpụtara ya. Ọ kpapụtara ya ọkụkọ n'etiti ehihie. That's number 1. Chinte. Nte is the cricket. In Igbo land, sometimes when you're cultivating the ground, you got to nte. That you get from, some call it abusu. Some part of Anambra, they call it abusu. So, chinte, chowa ibuya, or papotara ya okoko, netiti. It is a kind of, you think deep before you get this. Yeah. Chinte. Yeah. So you think deep about it. Number 2. Ọjị agọchiri ntị. Mmụọ anaghị ata ya. That's another one. Ọjị agọchiri ntị, mmụọ anaghị ata ya. So this is another one. So ụmụ Igbo Chukwu gosiri, unu na-enye anya ọfụma, unu na-enye anya very very well. Unu jee Iyoba Chukwu ka onye ga-amamihe ya eji kọwaa ya bụ okwu inu, ya bụ okwu inu na-asịrị ike. Chinte chọwa igbu ya, ọ kpapụtara ya ọkụkọ n'etiti ehihie. Nke a bụ nke mbụ. Nke ịbụa, ọjị agọchiri gịnị ntị, mmụọ anaghị ata ya. These 2 words, what does these 2 words mean? Gịnị ka okwu ilu abụọ ntị a pụtara? Ịkọwa ya, gị tere anya na igwe Facebook, ya bụ ebe ahụ a na-ede ihe ikwu, ọ dị comment section, gị tinye ebe ahụ. Ọ bụrụ na njezie oge m ga na-eje na-enene assignment ụmụ akwụkwọ m mere, marazie ma ha makwara ife ekwe na-akụ gbasara okwu ilu Igbo. Okay, so this is the assignment and we are going to review it so that when next we come, Yeah. When next we come, we'll start from these two statements, these two proverbs, and then we'll interpret it. We are not going to interpret it now, but it is your assignment. So if you get it, you get thumbs up. If you didn't get it, you get thumbs down. So that is how you have to know whether you got it. Thank you so much. Onye isi ọka nke kelekwa m gị ihe ndị anyị niile na-eme bụ ime gịnị ịkwalite gịnị omenala anyị na asụsụ anyị iji na-aga nke ọma gosladị a sị na ebe ọkụ nyụrụ awụsa ọnwa ụbọchị nta anyị achụọ n'Owerri ka emesịanụ
ezigbo onye nkụzi anyị bụ Maazị Eburaja Solomon. Ekelere gị n'ihe nkụzi kụziri anyị taa. Mekwa m ụbụrụ iche echiche ịkọwata ilu. Agbalịkwara m. Kelechi Tony, ị gara akwụkwọ late, so ụlọ akwụkwọ agbasago mana anyị nwere assignment anyị ga-eme. My darling brother, thank you so much. I will let you go. I'll let you go. Thank you so very much for today's class. It's very interesting. Thank you. I'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye, yes. So the teacher has given us an assignment which he wants us to answer. He will go back on Facebook and read our answers. I'll try and do mine as soon as possible. So you go to Facebook. Today's video is already there on Facebook. Attempt the answer. Please attempt the assignment. Please, it's very important. You see, I have never reasoned this much in Igbo before, but I did that today, and I know you enjoyed it. At least Amarachi, Ugochukwu, every one of us, one of you who contributed today, you could imagine what you know, that you could think that deep to get an answer. I never knew that Proverbs are this deep, this critical, but thank God we are doing these Igbo classes. Please make sure that you invite your children. Your children need to know all this. That sometimes you don't want to, say a word straightforward, just like Jesus used to do those days. He said most of his words in parable. Sometimes you want to talk to your kids and you don't want that person behind or beside both of you to, understand what you are trying to tell the child. You can just say it in proverb. Yes, please, let's attempt this, the assignment. Please, let's do that. And don't forget to join me tomorrow. Don't forget. And I am still taking application for the aids that I announced. And I'm still taking application. And the last day will be on March the 27th. So 1 week to that, I will call the names of those who are choosing and begin to look at it. Now I got a lot of nominations, which is what I really like. Let me see if I can go beyond 2 people. All right. So with that, I said, you are unstoppable. But before I said that, let me finish the video I was playing for us.
It is not easy.
all welcome. Thank you so much. So, with that, I hope you enjoyed today's class. With that, I said, remember, you are unstoppable and your voices must be heard. Join me tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'll be talking about Otobo, Stephanie Otobo. Join me tomorrow, 6 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's talk about injustice and bring your voices. I don't know anything, but bring your voices. Let's reason together. Otobo, if you don't know Stephanie Otobo is alleged to have a kind of affair with a Nigerian based bishop apostle called Apostle Suleiman. And this girl has been going through a lot since 2018. Please come, let's talk about it. I am in the business of saving lives and fighting for people. So let's do that tomorrow. Join me 6 p.m. Nigerian time. Bring your voices, call in, click on the link tomorrow. Come in live to the live stream. Let's talk about everything about Stephanie Otobo. Yeah, good morning, ma. You're welcome, Kelechi. Enjoying this so much. Yes, I'll see you all tomorrow. And remember, I love you yesterday. I love you today. And I will always love you. I will always love you.